A very good morning, students. We were discussing about nutritive components of diet. In our previous lecture, we have discussed about the proteins, and today we will be discussing about nutrient component, that is carbohydrate. The composition of carbohydrate is carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Carbohydrate act as a fuel in our body. Like vehicles and all, we need to drive fuel. Same way, to work our body, we need immediate energy giving source, that is carbohydrate. It provides energy to the body. We use carbohydrate for formation of fats. Our fat is also formed because of carbohydrate. If more carbohydrate is taken in our diet, that always changes into fat. If we take more carbohydrate, then it will be converted into fat. How much calories you are spending in the activity, let it be a routine activity or sports activities, carbohydrate is utilized. If more than that expenditure you have intake of diet, in our diet carbohydrate is more, that will be converted into fat. Lack of carbohydrate, that will reduce your body weight. If there is less amount of carbohydrate in our regular diet, your body weight will go down. And when we take less carbohydrate, shortage of carbohydrate in our body, then our skin becomes loose. चमड़ी लटकने लग जाएगी बूढ़े लोगों की तरह. Skin becomes loose and wrinkles start appearing on the face. This is because of shortage of carbohydrate. Wrinkles start appearing on the face means चेहरे पे झुर्रियाँ पड़ जाना, that will be because of less carbohydrate. Taking more carbohydrate in our diet may increase our body weight. We may become obese, and once you become obese, you become lethargic. आलसीपन, सुस्तीपन, ये सब आपको आ जाएगा. This is because of carbohydrate more you are taking and body weight is increasing. Now what are the sources of carbohydrate? That is rice, then comes maize, jawar, bajra. These are the cereals. Then pulses, gram, dry peas, dates, grapes, potatoes, banana. Good and sugar is the best source of carbohydrate. We must take during winter and all in our regular diet one piece of good. That is very good, energy giving, and but those are already obese, fatty people, they should avoid it. Otherwise you will become lethargic. Now next after this carbohydrate, in our next lecture we will be discussing about another nutritive components, that is fat. Thank you. And one more thing I want to tell, that is 1 gram of carbohydrate and 1 gram of protein give 4 calories. 4 calories. Now you see how much calories you are needed for your body and how much intake of carbohydrate should be there in your diet. So 1 gram of carbohydrate is equal to 4 calories. Thank you. Have a healthy day.